We destroyed 2 tanks and several trucks. Information is continuing to come. In spite of these assurances of the military, of the strikes on the military sites, there are reports that Russian troops are crossing the border. I have special case. The relatives of my wife live just 15 kilometers from the Russian border. Early in the morning, they were waken up by some explosions on the territory of Ukraine. In the border area, Russia attacked a lot of Ukrainian checkposts and border posts. Ukraine already is introducing the military state. We are starting mobilization of the reservists. Ukrainian army is not the army of 2014, when it was very much feeble, disorganized. After 8 years, situation drastically and cardinally changed. Ukrainian people are not panicking. We are ready to defend our territory, territorial integrity, to defend our towns and cities. And this information on the fast casualties among invading troops is confirmation of this fact. This aggression, it was not predicted by anyone. Sober-minded people could not expect it. Up to the last moment, the world was hoping for the peaceful solution. Up to the last moment, our president was repeatedly asking for bilateral negotiations with Russia. No response. Now we can see the clash of democratic country. Ukraine is like India, democratic country, and totalitarian regime. Now I am ambassador to India. Of course, the position and the task of every ambassador is to make the position of the country of his stay more favorable to our case. The special case is the India. You know that India is United Nations Security Council non-permanent member. India is very influential global player. I am dealing with India from my young student years. And I know a lot about the history of your diplomacy. You had such bright guys like Chanakya, or otherwise he is called Kautilya, approximately 2,400 years back, when on the major part of Europe there was no civilization, and even those days you had qualified diplomacy. Let's go into your mythological stories. Just remember Mahabharata, which according to some reports, the war happened in 3102nd year before Christ. Even before Mahabharata war, there were active attempts of solving this conflict by peaceful means. Unfortunately, in Mahabharata case, it was not so successful, but I am hoping that in our case, it should be much more successful. Don't forget that India, for many years, was and still the leader of non-alignment movement. Non-alignment movement was created in the time of the Cold War just to prevent world tensions. It was based on the principles of peace. Don't forget that India was among architects of the world famous 5 principles, Panchashila. That's why at the present moment we are asking, pleading the support of India. India is the powerful global player, and in case of aggression of totalitarian regime against democratic state, India should fully assume its global role. Modi ji is one of the most powerful and respected leaders of the world. You know that you have special, privileged, strategic partnership with Russia. I don't know how many world leaders Putin may listen to, but the status of Modi ji makes me hopeful that in case of his strong voice, Putin at least should think over. We are expecting for much more favorable attitude of the Indian government in this crisis situation. It's the moment of truth, moment of destiny. I am following all the reports on the site of your ministry, and the latest advisory to your citizens in Ukraine was just not to go out, not to go to Kiev, and recommendations and the statement of your Ministry of External Affairs was that India is closely following development of events. We are deeply dissatisfied with this position.
हिंदुस्तान से